style this, just come to the P, the paragraph. You can see the opening tag of the P element. You can see where my cursor is. Go in between it. Shift, write your style equal to, you put your quote, double quote, you put your double quote, then you write your, because we want to add color to it. Then you can say, you can put your double quote, then you put your color. What color do you want? If you put your color, that is the value. You put your colon. What color do you want it to be? You can equally say you want the color to be, let's also use a primary color. You want it to be yellow. Then you close it. You double quote, you save. Now let's go to our browser. You can see that our text is yellow. Can you see it? It's yellow. Now let's go over to the HTML fonts. This thing you are seeing now is a type of font. In normal Microsoft Word, we have things like italics, we have what we call bandana, we have the Times New Roman. All these things are fonts. So the same way, if you're writing in your browser, if you're coding in your browser, we also have fonts in the browser too. So whatever font you want to write, in the Microsoft Word, there are sections where you find your fonts, but here you don't have it. You want to put in the font that you want. So how to add fonts to your text? You add font to your browser depending on the kind of font you want. Let's copy this. Ctrl+C, Ctrl+V, then we put our P elements. Let me give space, so let me put space here. So, font is different from the size. This is how to add your font, depending on the kind of font you want. This is how to style your font. So you come to this P element, put your style the same way, equal to, put your double quotes. This is how you use the font family property to define your font family. You have to write it font, put your hyphen, family, font family. Use this property to write your font. Then you put your semicolon, you put your colon. Then depending on the kind of font you want, is it the Times New Roman, Verdana, and other? Let us use font Verdana. We'll save. Let's go to our browser. Refresh. You can see. Can you see that these fonts and these other ones are not the same thing? You can see that this changed. The text, the kind of font that appeared here is different from these other ones that we are seeing. So because we added a font to this very text, we styled the font to Verdana. That is why we are seeing a different kind of text. Can you see that? Now let us add the font size. The font size is different from the